good. Yes, I like them good and brown. Very good. Yes, Chica, we're gonna be at the barbecue. I'm here! I see that you're here. Hello, ladies. How are you? It looks like everything is really good, Chica. Very good. Got Miss Betty cooking. Let me introduce you to Mr. Langley first. Hi, Mr. Langley. This is a nice barbecue.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Mira, so I brought Sabrina so that you can meet her. You know, you hired her. She went over there to go eat, and she went over there to make a plate. Here she come. Sabrina. Mira. Sabrina, this is Mr. Langley. This is the man that hired you for the marketing firm. Chica, can you please stop eating for one moment? Really? What are you doing?
Doing good.
Am I going to wash your hands or wash?
Good to meet you, Sabrina.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
We're looking forward to introducing you to the marketing advertising world.
But really, all I want to do is answer the phone.
My phone? Oh no, what you say? My phone? You're not answering my phone. I done told you you're not getting my phone. That's my phone. You said not. Mr. Langley, how you gonna answer my phone? How you gonna have her coming down? You know, she answer my phone. That's my phone. My phone, honey, my phone.
Sabrina, we'll see about that. But for now, enjoy the barbecue, which I see you already have.
Just go it.
But enjoy.
You getting my phone. Just your face, you ain't getting my phone.
Join us for the 5th annual holiday shopping soiree, Saturday, November 5th at the Rialto in Atlanta, Georgia. Log on to reserve your free tickets and free parking at www.2016hss.eventbrite.com. Come for shopping fun, food, entertainment, guest celebrity meet and greets, Destin Fashion Show, and best of all, to help celebrate Dexter Alsobrooks' 7th year of being cancer-free. Proceeds will go towards the purchase of gifts for children battling cancer at the Aflac Cancer Center in Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. Bring your shopping buddies and come shop with us for the cause. Free admission and free parking. Bring your VIP ticket for parking. For more information, call 877-630-5706. We will see you at the 5th annual holiday shopping soiree, Saturday, November 5th at the Rialto in Atlanta, Georgia. Log on to reserve your free tickets and parking at www.2016hss.eventbrite.com.
Welcome to Billy the Musical. Join us Saturday, December 17th, 2016 at the Theater Cafe 260 Auburn Avenue, Atlanta, Georgia, starring Nadine Bone, Vanessa Stover, Malik Haynes, Tyra Atkins, Rita Graham, and MimiJohnson.net. Log on for your tickets, donations, vending, and sponsorships at www.billythemusicalatlanta.eventbrite.com. See you there.
Just a few clicks of the mouse and you're on your way to discover how easy and convenient online printing should be. www.blaze1graphics.com. Quick and easy 24/7 online printing. Free online business card design with over 1,000 templates to choose from. We also offer CD inserts, postcards, brochures, wide format printing, banners, window clings, and more. www.blazeonegraphics.com.
Let me get some more in.
That's mine, thank you. That's my
That's gonna
chocolate.
be mine later.
Eat my candy bar. Me and you go wrestle. Do WWE
That'll
up
be
in
mine.
there on this picnic. Be a lot of fun.
Mm.
Why does somebody so little eat like that?
Ladies, I am so glad we were able to come out to the lake today and enjoy this company picnic. Isn't this awesome?
Yes, Mr. Langley, it is so beautiful. I love it. Mira, the trees and the lake. It's just beautiful. You picked a perfect spot. Thank you, Mr. Langley.
And the food was so good.
You should know you ate enough of it, just about all of it. I'm going in the water. I'm going swimming in that lake, Mr. Langley.
Oh, I want to go fishing. I can't remember the last time I've been fishing. Yeah, I can. Oh my God, it was with me, Ma. We was catching some bottom feeders. We got some catfish, and I tell you what, catch that, and I slice it open and take all the guts out, and I wrap it up in aluminum foil, and I tell you, we caught a bunch of them. Oh my God, they were so good, and I put it in some beer. Pour beer in, put it on the fire, and oh my God, Mimo, where are you at? You hear me, Mimo? I'm gonna get some catfish, Mimo. I swear I am. I'm gonna get us some fish. Yeah.
Jesse,
Yes. Oh, Mr. Langley, yes.
please stay focused. We're, trying to enjoy ourselves at a picnic here.
I am focused.
Okay, all right.
Focusing on some fish.
All right.
So I can eat it.
Yeah.
You ain't getting none of my fish. She done had enough, hadn't
Everything
she?
else, that's all
Fried,
fish.
fried
I mean-
fish is the best fish.
She ate all the hot dogs. I ain't got no hot dog.
Yeah. You gonna eat. You probably eating on the phone. How she gonna answer the phone and all she do is
Oh, I'm gonna get that phone.
You ain't
though.
gonna get my phone.
Watch
Don't
me.
start. Don't you get my phone.
Mira, you are girls in the phone.
I know.
It's my phone.
Mr. Langley, please.
But I mean, you're so why you got this big box on the table?
This is my fishing lures. I'm getting ready to go fishing. I'm gonna catch me some catfish, Mimo. Oh, yeah, these are lures that catch big fish.
What's this?
Oh, that's my real lure. I tell you what, this is the only way if you're gonna go fishing. You gotta have a real lure.
Oh.
Let's see here.
You pull out cups, out shirts. I know you country. I know you know, but I do
yeah.
see that candy bar though.
Oh no, that candy bar is mine for after I catch a fish. And you leave my lures alone. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah. I'm ready to do some fishing. I'll be back.
You and the worms. Be gone. Have a good time.
I forgot something.
What you forget?
I forgot my candy bar. 'Cause I gotta have some chocolate while I'm fishing.
Why, you sure?
I'm sure I put my candy in here right by this big fish.
No. I think the worm got it.
Well, that's a big ass worm because
Yeah.
I don't think worms can eat chocolate. Even though I'm pretty sure there's a worm around here that's ate my chocolate. Well, I tell you what, he ain't eating my lure. It's my lure.
I'm
And
telling
I'm
Mr.
going
Langley.
fishing. I don't care what you tell Mr. Langley. You ain't having my other lure.
And it was good too.
Oh, you're gonna eat this worm. Eat this worm.
Yo, at 32 degrees, free at 212. Yo, I burn MC. Call me that felony repeater, run that heat off in your spot. MCs, I be burning hot, blazing hot. Burn your spot like Salem slot.
Mira, what is going on? Jesse, what are you doing? You're burning the food.
Oh, it looks good. That's a
Chef. Ay, Dios mío.
Oh, we got some good food here.
Oh, what's that burnt one right there? That burnt hot dog. That burnt hot dog. Yes, right there. Give me that burnt one. Thank you.
Eat anything.
She had
Everything.
Well, folks, you got a little yourself out of control here.
By MCs, I be burning hot.
Okay, so who created this fire? Okay, you know what? I have a feeling, ma'am, just to let you know, you're around the forest, so you want to be really, really careful, okay? Because with it being so close to the building, well, I could have easily come up on a structure fire. So I'm really glad everybody's okay, but please make sure, let's not get this hot again, okay?
Well, thank you so much, Fire Chica. The Fire Chica came, Jesse.
We had chicken, but she burned the chicken.
We said Chica, Jesse, not chicken.
Chinchilla? No, we're not eating no chinchillas
I don't
either.
I'm just glad you're safe, folks, okay? But please, the next time I see you is want to be in the community, not putting out your fire, okay?
Yes.
Please be safe.
Thank you, Fire
You're
Chica.
welcome. Do you need anything else from me?
We're going to need some more hot dogs and Chica.
That's not my department, but, be safe, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Where are my hot dogs? What y'all did to my hot dogs?
Oh my God, this is just like me mom used to make. Oh yeah. Where's the buns? I need a bun.
That is burned, Jesse.
That's my hot dog. That's my hot dog.
You get your own hot dog. This is just like Nemo's. That's gonna be so good, just like Mimo used to make.
Meet the Williams family, the matriarch, Tyra,
Hello, world.
the baby, Mimi,
Tyra. Hey, world.
I'm in love with you, oh baby, can't you see? Love is real and you just make me feel so free. I got you on my mind, baby, oh endlessly. Like the way you always come see about me. All this time I wonder if this love is true. Would you love me the way as I love you? Know it's real, the way you make me feel.
It's nice out here. You always talking about somebody's phone. You get somebody's phone.
Oh, you know what? That's all about the
That is
change,
my phone. You ain't gonna
boo.
get my phone.
You better go get your phone.
I'll say it.
Put your phone down, boo. Go get your phone. You know what? Is it not a water phone?
Let go of me.
Woman. Yeah. 'Cause I am